Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Reloading Python source code into the console window in Eclipse/PyDev can be a useful feature when you're working on a project and want to test your code changes without restarting the entire Python interpreter. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to achieve this using the PyDev IDE for Eclipse with a step-by-step guide and code examples. Before you start, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Launch Eclipse and open your Python project that contains the source code you want to reload. Ensure that your PyDev project is properly configured with your Python interpreter. If you haven't done this, go to Window Preferences, PyDev Interpreters, Python Interpreter, and configure the interpreter for your project. Start a Python console session by clicking the PyDev Console tab, and you'll have a Python prompt where you can enter Python commands. To reload your Python source code into the console window, you can use the built-in Python reload function or manually execute the code using the console. Here's how you can do both. The reload function is part of the imp module and is used to reload a previously imported module. Here's how you can use it. Replace my module with the name of your module or script. This code will reload the module in the console, reflecting any changes you've made in the source code. You can also manually execute your Python source code in the console. Simply copy and paste the code you want to run into the console window and press enter. For example, this way, any changes you make in the code can be executed immediately in the console. After reloading your Python source code using either of the methods mentioned above, you can verify the changes by running the relevant functions or code snippets in the console. Any modifications should be reflected in the console output. That's it. You've successfully reloaded your Python source code into the console window in Eclipse/PyDev. This can be a powerful feature for testing and debugging your code without the need to restart the Python interpreter or the entire application. ChatGPT.